Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transplant with a high degree of success. So today I'm going to transplant this mini rose and I'm going to show you how I do it and how I've gotten success in all my transplants that I've done. All of these perennial plants have basically been transplanted. I've stolen them or borrowed them from various family members. So to get started on this, you're just gonna need basically 4 things. You're gonna need some water, you're gonna need a plant, your favorite fertilizer. I suggest an organic one like Actisol, and then a shovel.
The first step is to pick the ideal location for your plant. This is usually found on the label that you bought it on, not on mine, but I know that spot right there is perfect. We're gonna want our plant pre-watered just to give it that extra kick. And as far as the hole size, I generally make a hole that's about double as wide and double as deep. This will give the roots a chance to expand very quickly and not have to go through compact, tough soil. And you can see that here. You're then going to backfill that hole so that your root ball is slightly below your soil, your final grade. When it comes to roses and stuff, you want to be careful not to bury the budding nodes, which is the knuckle formation at the base. But basically, yeah, you want it to sit slightly below grade originally, and you're not going to compact that soil yet that you've backfilled because you want it to be nice and loose for that plant to grow into. The next step is to apply some of your favorite fertilizer in there just to add some nutrients for that plant. And then we're going to pre-water the hole so there's lots of moisture in there for that plant right off the hop. Then you're going to fill in around the plant. I like to leave a bit of a bowl at the base. Basically helps to catch water in the early stages. Do your final water. And make sure not to let this thing dry out.
If you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button to see more content like this. And let me know in the comments what other topics you want me to cover. As always, you can find the most recent video in the top left, a related video in the bottom left, and the subscribe button on the right hand side. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.